in our life, fashion tips for everyday confidence. बहुत सारी बातें होंगी, बहुत सारे टिप्स मैंने हमारे गेस्ट से लिए हैं, आपने भी सुने होंगे. अगर आपने सुने नहीं है तो हमारे पिछले कई सारे वीडियोस में आपको बहुत सारे फैशन टिप्स मिलने वाले हैं. और रोजाना जिंदगी में आप किस तरह से अपना खुद का स्टाइल बना सकते हैं, इसके लिए जरूर देखिएगा हमारे सारे प्रीवियस वीडियोस. और इस वीडियो में मैं आप की तरफ से, हमारे कई सारे ऑडियंस की तरफ से जो क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, जो डाउट्स आए, वो मैं पूछूंगी हमारे गेस्ट से. वी हैव विद अस मिस मंजुश्री पाटिल एंड डॉक्टर सुप्रिया देशमुख. सो हमारे ऑडियंस की तरफ से बहुत सारे डाउट्स हैं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं स्टाइलिंग के ऊपर, फैशन के ऊपर, रोजाना जिंदगी में किस तरह से फैशन फॉलो कर सकते हैं. उसमें एक सवाल ऐसा है कि उन्होंने पूछा है एक्सेसरीज या हमारी स्टाइल को एलिवेट करने के लिए किस तरह से हम खुद के ऊपर ध्यान दे सकते हैं.
ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. एक्सेसरीज मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि एक्सेसरीज इज टू क्लोथिंग एज गार्निशिंग इज टू फूड. ओके, कोई आइसक्रीम आपको ऐसे ही दे दिया तो अच्छा ही लगेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो उसको अगर चॉकलेट में डिप करके उसके ऊपर मस्त से नट्स डाल के आपको दे दिया. तो उस दिन मैं कुल्फी खा रही थी, कुल्फी मैं लेके जा रही थी वो वेडिंग में, तो वो बंदा मुझे बुला लेता है, बोलता है मैडम इसके रोज का वो सिरप डालो. उसके बाद वो इतना अपीलिंग लगा, तो कुल्फी वैसे ही टेस्ट करने वाली थी, तो उसमें एक एक्स फैक्टर एलिवेट हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हाट एक्सेसरीज आर. सो जैसे मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये मेरा चश्मा है, मैं चश्मा तो पहनती हूँ, रीडिंग का चश्मा है, पर ये जो एक एक्सेसरी है ना, दैट्स बिकम माय पर्सनल स्टाइल एंड आई लव वेयरिंग अ वैरायटी ऑफ दीज. मैं जहाँ पे अच्छे अच्छे दिख जाते हैं इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ, आई लव वेयरिंग दीज बिकॉज ये तो गले में रहेगा हमेशा, तो व्हाई नॉट मेक इट बिकम समथिंग मोर दैन स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट. एग्जैक्टली. सो जस्ट चश्मा पहना ऊपर सिर पे रखना was also good, but this extra factor plus jewelry. I know jewelry makes a lot, छोटी कम ज्यादा जैसे भी हो, it just enhances the beauty of your clothing and a little bit of a different kind of bindi. For example, lately I've been wearing this Devi bindi. I do not wear the sticker bindi. And it's just become me. That's become my personal style. I like it and it makes me feel very calm, and also takes away the fear of the sticker glue. हेड पे जो ग्लू का जो एलर्जी हो सकता है वो अभी पूरी तरह मिटिगेट हो गया है मेरी लाइफ में. आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट दैट बिकॉज 12-12, 14-14 घंटे मैं बिंदी में रहती हूँ, ज्यादा ही 18-20 घंटे my bindi is on me. So yeah, I think accessories is an important aspect in clothing. Just good clothes are good, but good accessories are even better.
But this is your everyday style.
This is my everyday style. Absolutely everyday.
कितना वक्त लगता है इतना सारा तैयार होने में?
Not much. Because एक बात
that is also an important thing.
मैं एक बात बताऊँ, I visualize my look the earlier night before I sleep. Even if it's an everyday clothing, मैं विजुअलाइज करती हूँ कि मेरा ये कुर्ता, ये दुपट्टा यहाँ से है, ये इयररिंग्स मैंने यहाँ पे रखे हैं. मैं उठती हूँ, मेरा योगा ध्यान सब खत्म होने के बाद जब मैं ड्रेस करने के लिए आती हूँ, टक 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 leave. That's the way.
Yeah.
That's visualization is a very important visualization of your look,
your outfit,
your style.
Imagine
very much, and I do that every single day.
Perfect.
I just that it's not with me all the time 24/7, but रात को सोते वक्त कल सुबह मुझे ये पहनना है.
Right. वो खाना खाने से पहले जो दिखता है ना, वो हम ज्यादा खाते हैं, आंखों से खाते हैं, फिर पेट में जाता है.
Yes, exact
तरह से ये भी होना चाहिए.
What is poha without coconut and coriander? मतलब उसका कोथमीर और नारियल उसके ऊपर नहीं है तो पोहा बड़ा सैड लगता है. अच्छा टेस्ट आएगा, दिखने में बड़ा सैड लगता है.
But the other thing is, पोहे पे जितना मतलब पोहे पे अगर नारियल ज्यादा ही हो, पोहा ही चुप जाए, वो भी अच्छा है. तो इस पर आप क्या मतलब ओवर ड्रेस्ड एंड अंडर ड्रेस्ड, ये तो पहले भी हमने इस पर डिस्कशन किया है.
Makeup as in
and the same applies to makeup also, I think, nowadays. So I think so a lot of initially in the earlier years, it used to be like very OTT makeup. Nowadays it's gone to like no makeup look.
No makeup.
Yeah, makeup look. So it's all nude and the nude colors, and the foundation is put in such a way as if it looks like a normal clear skin. So yes, I mean, having a great skin is like the foundation of looking good every day. It's like you don't need to wear a foundation. And secondly, I think makeup. I think it's important to keep it a little realistic. You should really not completely change the way you look. I think you're supposed to look nice, subtle. Your lips should be enhanced a bit. Your eyes should stand out a bit. Your eyebrows should stand out a bit, and a little highlights here and there just to accentuate your features. And I think minimal looks good. I think minimal looks good even if you're attending a wedding. So I think minimal is good. I think nobody will ever say कि अरे इतना सही makeup क्यों किया? But if you overdo it, कितनी makeup flawless or how much makeup have you put in? Bright color.
With makeup, with accessories, just like with clothes, I personally feel you have to be able to carry it off. Right? Sometimes we see women who wear a lot of makeup. They're not themselves very convinced about it, but because it's trending, they wear it and they really stick out like a sore thumb in that function. Sometimes they also wear so over the top makeup that you don't want to see that face because यहाँ पे इतना लगाया, यहाँ पे इतना लगाया, and you're like, क्या जरूरत थी इतना लगाने की? It doesn't necessarily warrant this occasion. So it's about how I carry myself. Do I feel convinced that ये जो मैंने पहना है, ये आज मेरा मूड है, मेरे लिए ये राइट है, ये सही है. ये जो मैंने मेकअप लगाया है, जो भी कुछ, is it the right thing for me right now today?
That's true.
Mind and mood.
I think our next question is related to this only, makeup. The question is, I am a bride to be, and what kind of makeup I should put on my wedding day?
I'll tell you a personal story. When I got married in 2013. When I got married, I learned my own makeup. So I didn't want the makeup to be done by someone on me because I thought I know my face the best. I know my skin the best. So I actually took up some tutorials in a makeup academy. I invested about 7 to 8 hours, and then I practiced it on me.
Wow.
Like at least 3 to 4 months before my wedding. So everybody called out on me, you are crazy, how are you going to do it? There's going to be so much hustle and bustle around. I said, no, I'll manage. So I just called someone to help me with my hairstyle and draping, but I did my own makeup.
Wow.
So, and I commonly tell this to a lot of my patients who are bride to be, that just be minimal, look the way you are. You will look beautiful. Your outfits are there, you've got to wear beautiful jewelry. I'm sure you're going to have a very nice hairstyle. It's just like that cherry on that cake is your makeup. So just highlight your features and you're done. You look graceful, you look beautiful. I think that's what it is. So I tell them, but there is a lot of pressure on them also from the family members and how we'll manage and this and that. If you're sort of able to break it, I think it's a great thing to do. Okay. But however, even if you're hiring someone, you can always ask them to be minimal with your makeup. So I think that's my advice to the bride.
You were saying the same thing, like, इतना makeup चढ़ा देते हैं कि you stop recognizing yourself in those pictures 10 years from
yes.
Because that had happened with us. I got married 30 years ago. So makeup उन दिनों कुछ था ही नहीं. Lipstick बहुत makeup कर दिया.
Let's move on to our next question. And next question is, how can I dress for confidence on a budget? Budget plays an important role.
Very, very much.
So you don't have to spend a lot of money.
Correct. So we did speak about branded clothes and street clothes. Budget और confidence में मैं हमेशा कहूँगी फिर से confidence तो अंदर की बात है. Budget clothing बाहर की बात है. ये जो भी हम पहनते हैं, being sure that it is something that I can carry off very well and I am happy wearing it. The moment I feel very happy wearing it, it doesn't matter how expensive or less expensive those clothes are. I will exude that. I will walk in that space in that same manner. So that is where I think budget का और confidence का connection आ जाता है कि कपड़े कितने भी महंगे हो, आपका अंदर का माहौल क्या है ये बाहर दिख जाता है. Your body will show it, your face will show it.
करेक्ट. और सर ऑप्शंस जो आपके सामने बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस रहते हैं, मतलब महंगे कपड़े, एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स और मतलब एक्सपेंसिव नहीं, बजट फ्रेंडली. तो कभी कभी बजट फ्रेंडली भी बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव लग सकते हैं, rich लग सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
एंड एक्सपेंसिव आप कितना भी ज्यादा पैसा डाल दें और आपने सिलेक्ट ही ऐसा किया है कि वो दिखे ही नहीं ना वैसे, तो ये भी हो सकता है.
Very true. Yeah. So I think budget friendly options. I think India is a land of beautiful textiles. I think आज भी अगर आप एक local market में जाएंगे और कपड़े की दुकान अगर आप देखेंगे, you can just take some fabrics from that store and you can get it tailored. We have so many, we're lucky to be blessed with having tailoring options very close to our houses.
Yeah.
And you can just stitch a normal shirt or a nice kurti or a salwar with it, and I think you can rock an outfit in budget also. I'm sure the textiles that get made in India are also so nice and robust that they survive so many washes. I personally feel most of the times when I have bought certain synthetic clothes from online or some even retail outlets, and I've seen that they haven't lasted well. Just 2 or 3 washes and the color is gone and everything. So then you start rethinking as to how do I invest so much money? And they were not very cheap also. They were like mid-budget kind of thing. So I think if budget is something that always weighs on the mind, then invest in classics. That will always last you. They're always repeatable. And invest in a good fabric. Get it stitched. I feel that always goes a long way. You'll always find your stitched clothes have lasted you for a very long time rather than the ones that you bought from off shelf.
Yes.
At the start you might feel wo tailoring ka fee itna dena pada, ye dena pada, but if you see the repeatability of the outfit and the long lasting nature, I think it turns out to be much better.
I know when you talked about in one of the earlier videos that we had, you spoke about standing out. That's something that I've experienced when I got my clothes stitched from the boutique. Yes, I do pay a little extra, but everybody has in the last 15 years asked me, where do you buy this one from? No, I got it tailored. Okay, it stands out. Utna bhi ek sentence is a great indicator for us to know. So yes, balancing budget confidence comes from that. When you are wearing clothing that has a little X factor as compared with others.
Right. Okay, so this question is very interesting. How do you stay confident on off days? हम बहुत सारे फैशन के बारे में बात करते हैं, मगर मेरा मूड ही ना हो आज तैयार होने का, मगर मुझे तैयार होना है, क्या करें हम?
So जिस दिन वैसे मेरे साथ होता है, हम सबके साथ होता है कि यार today I just want to be in my gown or my jammies and I want to sit at home and I don't want to really, but those are the days I pick up those clothes that I have always felt good in. No matter what, ये जो pairing up है ना, मैं कितनी भी बार, because I'm always conscious about my clothing and my style, and I've known that ये जो combination of kurta, this palazzo and this dupatta and this earring and neck piece, ये जब भी मैं पहनती हूँ ना, इससे कुछ ना कुछ mood elevation हो जाता है, कुछ बाकी हो ना हो. So then वो हुक्म के एक कपड़े हैं मेरे, तो मैं उनको पिकअप करती हूँ. मैं एक टिप यहाँ पे जरूर देना चाहूंगी कि like anything else, clothes also have a vibration of their own. On a spiritual level, on an energy level, clothes also have a vibration of their own. कभी कभी बहुत पुराने जब कपड़े हो जाते हैं, वो भी बेचारे बूढ़े हो जाते हैं ना. So when you are on an off day, try to stay away from those clothes because you are getting their energy into you even more. So probably picking up a more new piece of clothing will give you more vibrant energy and elevate your mood. So keep that in mind and wear a brighter color, a brighter, newer dress, a newer piece of clothing. It will definitely. Having said all of this, मैं ये जरूर कहूँगी, it's okay to have a bad day. It's okay to not be in a mood to dress up. We are not expected. आपने समुद्र को देखा है, there is high tide and there is low tide. High tide के सिवाय low tide नहीं होगी और low tide के सिवाय high tide नहीं होगी. Stop getting it into your mind कि अरे every day I have to be dressed up like those actresses at the airport who look so टकाटक and fancy. नहीं, it's okay. Even they have their bad days. Bad hair day, bad clothing day. Normal है, उसको normal एक्सेप्ट करो, अवेयर रहो, एक्सेप्ट करो और कहो ठीक है, आज का दिन ऐसा, कल का दिन नया दिन।
Self-awareness plays a vital role in this, and I hope you like the series of fashion tips for everyday confidence. लेकिन मैं हमारे मेहमानों को पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपको किस तरह से ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था हस्तकला लाइव के इस पॉडकास्ट का, और फैशन के बारे में बहुत सारी जानकारी हमें आपसे मिली थी, हमें बहुत सारे टिप्स मिले हैं जो कि हम आगे की जिंदगी में
मैं सच बताऊं, मेरे खुद के फैशन और स्टाइल के बारे में मुझे बहुत जानकारी मिली इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के थ्रू, बिकॉज़ मैंने इतना सोचा ही नहीं था कभी अपने फैशन के बारे में या स्टाइल के बारे में। मैं बस कर रही थी, इट वाज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट, आई वाज डूइंग इट एज अ नेचुरल थिंग दैट वाज कमिंग टू मी, आई वाज कॉन्शियस एंड अवेयर ऑफ इट, नॉट दैट आई वाजंट। पर आज यहाँ बैठ के आप दोनों के साथ इतनी अच्छी बातें करके आई लर्नड अ लॉट अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड अबाउट एवरीथिंग अबाउट फैशन एंड स्टाइलिंग, and I'm truly thankful to the community, Hastakala Live community, for having invited me over here and having given me the space to be able to speak about my journey as a woman all these years and how I have learned and how I have grown through this entire journey. So thank you so much, and we hope, definitely I'm going to speak on behalf of Hastakala Live here, that you have also been equally motivated, inspired, and you are taking back something from all of the conversations that we had with you in all these videos.
So I'd like to say that as a woman, I think a woman needs a lot of mentoring through phases of her life, and I think this is a great initiative by Hastakala Life to sort of give them few tips as to how they're supposed to keep or ace their fashion game through the phases of life. I think that's a lovely message, and it's a lovely initiative they're trying to take for women. So I think I wish them all the best, and thank you so much, audience, for your hearing and all your love that you've given to our previous videos as well. So over to you.
Thank you so much for being with us and for giving so much of advice that will help us in our future life, and all about fashion tips for everyday confidence. So मुझे लगता है कि आप सभी को ये हमारी जो सीरीज है फैशन टिप्स फॉर एवरीडे कॉन्फिडेंस ये पसंद आई हो, और ऐसे कई सारे टॉपिक्स पर हम बात करेंगे नए गेस्ट के साथ, और उनसे मैं बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी, बहुत सारे डाउट्स जो मन में रहते हैं वो पूछूंगी। नए टॉपिक्स आपके पास भी अगर कुछ हो कि इस पर आपको सुनना अच्छा लगे तो ऐसे टॉपिक्स को ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में आप डालिए। हम बहुत प्रयास करेंगे कि ऐसे ही टॉपिक्स जो आपको पसंद हो, आपके मन के नज़दीक हो, ऐसे ही टॉपिक्स हम हस्तकला लाइफ में ले और इस तरह से पॉडकास्ट आगे चले। See you soon in the next video with new guest and with me. Thank you so much for watching us, and like, share, subscribe our channel, our videos. Thank you.